Okay, so guys, andito pala kami ngayon sa Memorial Garden kung saan dito nakalibing si mami niya, Mami Colleen, yung aking mother-in-law, ang aking mahal na mother-in-law. Sayang lang, di ko siya naabutan ng buhay. Pero, yun, mahal na mahal ako noon. Nung kasal namin sa Pilipinas, pumunta pa yun kahit nahirapan na siyang maglakad. Talagang pumunta pa siya ng Pilipinas para umattend ng aming kasal. Super mahal na mahal ako nung bait nung. So dito si Mami Colleen, wala kasi ako nung namatay kasi siya, hindi ako nakapunta. Kaya ngayon, dito kami pupunta ngayon sa Memorial Garden kung saan siya inilibing. Yeah.
These are all graves.
Okay.
Very square.
So, ganda ng kanilang ano, no? Cemetery. Hindi mo
Almost.
hindi mo mahalata na cemetery kasi parang park lang din siya.
Lost the color.
Burials, Nainutan. So yan. Bibisitahin namin yung libingan ni Mami Colleen, yung aking mother-in-law. Ayan, iba din yung style dito. Iba din yung sa kanila. Iba din siya noon.
I'll show you one.
So we will park here
Yeah, I'll show
and then
you.
we'll just walk.
Yeah, it's not far from here.
It's far from here.
Not far.
Not far. Okay, so punta kami sa sa libingan ni Mami Colleen, yung aking mother-in-law.
Take it.
Yeah. Farhan. Hmm?
There used to be so much more shade, but they cut all the trees.
Sorry. Morals.
So like that one.
Hmm?
How they cut in.
Right.
But I leave it on because it's everything's different trees.
Colleen's here. Here? Oh, it's different.
Collins.
But it's in this part.
Yeah. It's just I can't remember now because they cut all the trees down.
Margaret Harold. Kalimutan na niya kung saan banda.
Maybe just don't follow me until I find it on.
It's okay. But do you think it's this in their area, in this
Oh, I
part?
know. Yeah. There's most of my family's all there.
Yeah. What's families?
Dad, brothers are here.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Johnson. Maybe in this area, Han. On the other side.
It's not down there.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Here? So we nahanap din namin. Mark Andrew
It's my uncle.
and
Should
Mom Colin Middleton. Eward.
Yeah, so.
Okay. It's good.
Yeah. Pick up your screen.
Huh?
Is your screen cut?
No. Maybe.
Oh.
Just
Yeah.
okay. Ayan, nahanap na namin. Bye, Mom. It's Mom time. I miss Mom. It's just sad that I arrived here and she's no longer here.
Yeah.
You know. I love you, Mom. And I miss you.
It's sure she's really happy for that you can go to space.
Yeah, for sure. Mom is here.
Look at this one. This is sad.
Is that?
This is a sad story.
Who?
I said this is sad. See all this here?
Yeah.
It's all one family. All
Oh,
Matthews.
really?
All Matthews. All
Oh.
died this close to one another.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah.
It's good.
Look. Yeah.
Matthews family.
But there's never like a grave messy here.
Huh?
Said the good thing about here is never a grave messy.
Yeah.
All keep it tidy.
Yeah. It's okay. So, we just... Tapos na kami. Pinisita lang namin yung libingan ng aking mother-in-law. Thank you. Just sit na.
If anyone can't tell on the vlog, my wife is getting tired.
Kaya binisita namin yung aking mother-in-law, guys. Nakakamiss lang. Sayang lang, wala na siya eh. Dumating ako, wala na siya. Pero, we have a lots of memories. I have a lots of memories with her naman. So, it's okay. Umiyak, grabe iyak ko kaya na matay siya. Nasa Pinas pa lang ako. Ako lang yung wala dito eh. It's okay.
One more stop. This one was on Zen. This stop was unplanned, but
Yeah.
I thought it was good that Mama and Papa can see.
Yeah. It's good though na nagpunta kami, yan, Tuwamba. Nagpunta kami dito para makita naman din daw ni Mama at Papa kung saan si Mami nakalibing. Ako din, gusto ko rin makita kung saan siya nakalibing. Even me, Han, I really want also to see where Mom
Yeah, I know.
buried, you know.
And then, side note to Northfield.
Huh?
Just on the Northfield side.
Okay.
So sad note to happy note because we're going to Mum's favorite, most favorite place.
Where?
Shop.
Shop?
Yeah.
Where?
'Cause,
That's Mom's favorite place?
yeah, Spotlight.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we're going now?
Yeah, to get your cotton, for your thread.
Ah,
That.
papunta daw kami sa paboritong shops ni Mami. paboritong puntahan na shopping center.
Mom shopped here and after her. She's like, her ghost is there. She shopped here that way.
Really?
Yeah, really.
What's the name of the shops?
Spotlight.
Ha?
Spotlight.
Spotlight?
Mm.
Really?
Yeah.
So, pupunta kami guys sa paboritong shopping center ni Mami. Kasi, magpapabili kasi ako. Bibili kasi ako ng karayom and sinulid. Kasi, meron ako nabiling damit. Tapos, kailangan siyang i-adjust. Kaya, kailangan ko ng karayom and sinulid. Kaya, paborito din to ni Mami na shop. Kasi, mahilig din yun magtahi eh. Kaya lagi din siyang pupunta dito. Namimili na kung ano-anong para sa mga kung ano-anong mga materials sa kanyang pagtatahi. Yun kasi yung pang niya eh. Pag wala siyang ginagawa, yun ang libangan niya magtatahi. Ang tawag nun? Meron naman siyang sewing machine kasi. Yun ang kanyang libangan. Mag-sew or magtatahi. Kaya ngayon pupunta kami. Yan pala yun, Spotlight. So that's Mom's favorite shopping center.
I won't take you in there because there's clothes in there that...
The Spotlight?
No, TK Maxx might actually have clothes that are your size.
So yan yung Spotlight. Yung paboritong shopping center ni Mami.
This one.
Okay. So yan yun. Pupunta kami dyan. Papasok kami dyan. Mag-park lang kami here. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Hindi malayo ang aking lalakarin. Malapit lang sa entrance. Oh, good. How about here? Is all good here?
Oh, here.
And there. Yan, kailangan talagang ipabukas ako ng door. Yep. Thank you.
Help, Mom.
Yep, thank you. Ha? Wala ko. Doon ka.
This way.
Okay. So, papasok na kami sa shop kung saan si Mami laging pumupunta at mamili ng kanyang mga kagamitan sa pagtahi. Kasi yun ang pinakagusto niyang libangan ang magtahi. Oh, kaya it's nice here. Kaya naman pala kompleto kasi dito eh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is nice. Yeah. It's nice to shops here because it's not so crowded.
Big store,
Huh?
Big store, so.
Oh.
That's right.
So is that one?
Third one. For sure.
Yeah, this is nice.
That's right there.
What's the size? Over 13
1.2 by half.
means queen?
No, it's like a rug. Very rug.
Ah, okay. I thought it's
It's not our full.
I thought it's blanket.
You think it like that?
Okay, this is nice. Oh,
Oh, no, but if you're sitting in a chair, honey, and you're cold, that's what you're
Ah,
doing.
okay.
But, oh, you're
yeah. Exactly.
right, and then it's good to let you come here.
Natatakot pa siyang dalhin ako dito kasi alam niya kung ano yung mga gusto kong bilhin is andito. Yeah, bath towels. Oh, it's not here. Towels, towels, towels. Ang ganda ng mga beadings. Mga,
All the curtains, is that one?
yeah, mga curtains. Beadings. Di ako magtataka kung bakit paborito ni Mami to na place. Kasi halos lahat andito eh. That's nice, Han. Chair.
Okay, it's still.
Okay. This is all nice.
These are all the different materials.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. The sewing machine is like that, yours?
See if I can see it here.
The same as... Ah, okay. Mhm. Ang hinahanap ko ay karayom and sinulid. Na, alam mo yung sinulid na may iba-ibang color. Yan ang hinahanap ko. Sinulid na may iba-ibang color with karayom na iba-ibang size.
That's your hat. Is that the same?
Yeah, in my jacket that I wear last night is the same material.
What's the other one? What was the other material for the other one you lost?
No, not that one.
See if it's here.
No, not that one. Yeah.
You know what, honey? If you knew how to sew, you could have so much money.
Mm.
I just send you there. Because Melissa doesn't know how to sew.
Mm-hmm. I know, but it's manual. I know. I love
Let me
sewing, but it's manual, not with
Still
machine.
good.
I know how to use the machine before, but I forgot
Ah,
because it's in school. You know, it's in
so-
school.
so honey, these are you can set this all the
Oh, yeah.
different. But
Saan ba hinahanap ko, ha? Ang aking hinahanap ay sinulid na may iba-ibang kulay at karayom na may iba-ibang size. Here, this one. I found it.
yeah, where's the one?
There is
There's a better one than that.
needle and different colors of thread.
And there's.
Huh?
What is it?
This is what I've been trying to look for. Ito yung hinahanap ko. Para pag may mabili. Kasi yung mga damit nila dito malalaking size. Pag binili ko, kailangan talagang i-adjust ang size talaga. Kailangan ko talagang i-adjust yung size niya. Kaya ano. Kaya kailangan ko talaga yung ganito. Ito yung kailangan ko. Ano ba sabi? Naghanap pa ng iba. Ito na yun eh. Ito na yung hinahanap ko eh. Nahanap ko na. Kung ito naman, hindi naman siya pwede kasi wala naman siyang karayom. Ito walang karayom. Ito talaga yung hinahanap ko.
You got it.
This is what I like, Han.
Yeah, I was looking for the other one.
Yeah, but there's no need to. This is the one that I only need. There's no need to look for. This is what I need only. Nahanap niya yung may tape measure at kung ano-ano pa. Nahanap niya guys yung may tape measure pa talaga. Ito kasi meron dito. Parang pangbutunis. Tsaka sinulid and karayom.
Body marks. Yeah.
There's no price.
Yeah, this is 10.
This one?
Mm.
10. So
But
this
it's
one
cheaper
is $10.
because
So that means like
It'll be
what?
cheap-
Like 350 pesos?
Huh, it'll be cheaper because I remember I get the VIP price.
Huh?
I get the VIP price of that. I need. Is there pins with that or no?
Hmm?
So then we need those.
Yeah, that's great. That's fine. I only need that one.
Need them.
Tape measure?
No, it's got tape measure in there. The blue one.
Yeah.
No, pins. Like this.
Yeah, I don't need pins.
Yeah. Those are cheaper.
Okay guys, yun na lang muna as of now. Nahanap na namin yung aking kailangan. Nandito na. Ito pala yung paboritong lugar ni Mami na puntahan. So nahanap ko na yung aking kailangan. Kaya dito na lang muna. Bye guys, and salamat sa pakiguban, pakisama. Salamat at sinamahan nyo kami sa aming lakad nitong araw, nitong oras, mga oras na ito. Salamat guys. Thank you and see you again on my next video. Bye for now. Ang daming iba-ibang kulay. Bye for now. Salamat. Yun. Ang mahal kaya nung Ang mahal nung yung kinuha ko. Tag 370 in pesos just for this. Mura lang to eh. Mga nasa lang to eh. 20 pesos sa Pinas or 50 pesos, pero dito almost 500 pesos na. Just ganyan lang. Whatever. Bye.